Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about rational expressions. This math is intended to the grade 8 students. So I have here number 1, 15a minus 35 over 25 times 6a squared over 3a minus 7 is divided by a squared over 35. Since we have two operations, multiplication and division. So first thing to do, I need to factor out the numerator. So common between 15 and 35 is 5. So 15a divided by 5, that will be 3a, and then minus 35 divided by 5 is 7. Then over 25. Then need to copy the operation, which is multiplication. And then this will be 6a squared over 3a minus 7. Take note, if we have division, we can change this one, the operation, to multiplication, and then upside down of this fraction, a squared over 35. The upside down will be 35 over a squared. Okay, so the same, 3a minus 7, 3a minus 7 will be crossed out. This one also, 5 and 25, cross out 5, and then 25 divided by 5 is 5. Then I have 5 and then 35. So this will be divided by 5. This is 1. Divided by 5, that is 7. Then cross out also a squared. So numerator we have 6. And then numerator also is 7. So the answer is 42. That's all.